Hello guys, wanna see what's inside one of these Myria big TVs? Check it out. So guys, this is the inside of the big TV. So a mid-grade board, low grade, some cable, the speakers, another low grade board here, and I think under here is the strip fingerboard. Have some copper here. It's a copper tape. Big copper coil here. That's easy to get out. Also this one. Yeah. And I see here on the video it's kinda dark here, but I see a board, maybe it's the finger strip board, and the rest is steel and plastic, so I am able to sell to the scrapyard. It's not a scrapyard, it's a recycling center, and they take e-waste by the pound, and I get half the price for the steel, so it's good, it's okay. So guys, I was able to take off this steel plate, and I have found two more boards. This is the one that was covered with this plastic, and here pretty good board. Let me see. So I don't know if that is gold plated. I think not. So mid-grade board. This one. Come on. It's harder with one hand. Let's see if my screwdriver helps me. Okay. So here are the one end of the tubes that goes along the TV. I think this is a plasma TV. You can correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. And this is the driving board for the high voltage plasma tubes. So yeah, in total there are 3 mid-grade boards. Well, this is kinda mid-grade board, and that low-grade big motherboard. Yeah. Thank you for watching again, and I will see you next time.